Hi, my name is Randy, Global Educator at Bumble and Bumble, and I'm going to show you how to get this voluminous blowout at home using our BB Thickening Collection. So at Bumble and Bumble, we always say that great style starts in the shower. So I chose to shampoo and condition with the thickening shampoo and conditioner to really help promote volume. So now I have wet hair and I'm going to start styling. So in the thickening collection, we have thickening spray. This is loved by so many of our stylists. So the key to a successful blow dry at home is to section your hair. This gives you more control. I'm just gonna pass through it one time, do it again, incorporate the end, roll the brush inward to really grab all that hair, and then just unravel it and just pull it through. And that just helps to hold a little bit of that shape that you just created. Now that we're at the finishing point and we're done with the blow dry, now it's time to add that finishing touch. So I like doing that with texturizing spray. So we have two. We have the Dry Spun Original Texturizing Finishing Spray, and then we now have new Dry Spun Light. So a few things about both. This is gonna be that original formula that's all about airy lift and volume to create even more big hair. This one's gonna be focused a little bit more on creating soft tousled texture. I like to look at this as someone who already has thick, voluminous hair after that blow dry, but just wants to add a little bit of tousled, touchable movement to it. In this case, I'm gonna finish with a little bit of Dry Spun. I like to spray downward. I'm spraying down so I'm not going against the grain of the hair. And this helps to just kind of create a little bit more texture and airiness as I start to kind of manipulate and move my hair. Then I'm gonna flip my head upside down and we're gonna spray some. This just really helps to create that big hair. So now you can play around with it, create whatever look you want. Take a little bit of Dry Spun just to kind of help finesse.